Hi, the animation manager is the extension of the action editor, as it keeps things manageable when there is a long list of animations, which comes in handy for video game development. For example, if I have a long list, it will be easier to access the animations from the list instead of going to the action editor and looking for the animation using the arrows. It also gives me the ability to select all the animation and send everything at once to the NLA. It can also delete all the selected animations all at once, so all the A's are gone. It gives me the ability to rename the animations by batch renaming the selected animations. For example, I have all the B's here. I can rename, I have the prefix, suffix, numbered, and find and replace. So we will use find and replace as demonstration. I can use all, replace all B by A, and it becomes A. It can give me also the ability to activate the fake user all at once instead of selecting each animation from the action editor and activating the fake user one at a time. So here, for example, it's easier just to go by there. I can also create new animations starting from the existing animation or just starting a new. Here I can just press new and it gives me the empty action or duplicate active with the ability to name the animation. And finally, I can filter the animations. For example, if I have run, jump, or walk, I can just type the name of the animation if it is named correctly. Here, for example, I will just type A and I will have all the A animations, so I can access the animations easily to work on these animations particularly, and I can just delete it and I have all the list back again. And that's it.